Hey, welcome dear beautiful soul. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mindful with Sonashri. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And today we are practicing forgiveness affirmations. So take a deep breath and come into this moment. How long you have been carrying the weight of the past? The mistakes, the regrets, the words you wish you could take back, the pain you never spoke out loud. See, forgiveness is not about forgetting, it's about setting yourself free. Every time you hold on to regret or a guilt, you chain yourself to a story that no longer serves you. But today, right here, you choose differently. Today, you choose to forgive yourself, to forgive others, to release the pain that has been holding you back from peace, love, and joy. These affirmations are not just words, they are keys to unlock your heart, keys to heal your wounds, keys to give yourself the freedom you have been waiting for. So close your eyes if you can. Breathe in deeply. With every affirmation you hear, feel the chains of the past breaking. And with every breath, step into a lighter, freer, more loving version of yourself. Your healing begins now. I release resentment and open my heart to love. I release resentment and open my heart to love. Forgiveness brings peace with every breath. Forgiveness brings me peace with every breath. I am free from the weight of old grudges. I am free from the weight of old grudges. I choose to love over bitterness. I choose to love over bitterness. My heart is light because I forgive. My heart is light because I forgive. I honor my past and release it with compassion. I honor my past and release it with compassion. Every act of forgiveness heals my soul. Every act of forgiveness heals my soul. I choose healing instead of anger. I choose healing instead of anger. My inner world becomes brighter through forgiveness. My inner world becomes brighter through forgiveness. I free myself from pain by letting go. I free myself from pain by letting go. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself daily. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself daily. I open my heart to reconciliation. I open my heart to reconciliation. I forgive because peace matters more than pride. I forgive because peace matters more than pride. My spirit shines when I release judgment. My spirit shines when I release judgment. I choose calmness over conflict. I choose calmness over conflict. I let go of the need to control the past. I let go of the need to control the past. Forgiveness is my natural state of being. Forgiveness is my natural state of being. I accept apologies, whether spoken or unspoken. I accept apologies, whether spoken or unspoken. I am free from revenge. I am free from revenge. I choose to be at peace with what was. I choose to be at peace with what was. I see forgiveness as an act of strength. I see forgiveness as an act of strength. My soul expands when I forgive. My soul expands when I forgive. I allow myself to rise above hurt. I allow myself to rise above hurt. I let go of every chain of resentment. I let go of every chain of resentment. I heal deeply by forgiving fully. I heal deeply by forgiving fully. My forgiveness makes me powerful. My forgiveness makes me powerful. I forgive the unspoken words that hurt me. I forgive the unspoken words that hurt me. I no longer carry anger in my heart. I no longer carry anger in my heart. Forgiveness is my sacred practice. Forgiveness is my sacred practice. I open to divine peace through forgiveness. I open to divine peace through forgiveness. I forgive myself for my past mistakes. I forgive myself for my past mistakes. I forgive my body for times I judged it. I forgive my body for times I judged it. I forgive myself for not knowing better than. I forgive myself for not knowing better than. I release guilt and choose compassion for myself. I release guilt and choose compassion for myself. I am worthy of self-forgiveness and love. I am worthy of self-forgiveness and love. I let go of shame with grace. I let go of shame with grace. I honor my journey with forgiveness. I honor my journey with forgiveness. I release regrets and welcome growth. I release regrets and welcome growth. My heart embraces my imperfect humanity. My heart embraces my imperfect humanity. I forgive myself and step into freedom. I forgive myself and step into freedom. I forgive past relationships with peace. I forgive past relationships with peace. I release betrayal and choose healing. I release betrayal and choose healing. I let go of the heartbreak with love. I let go of the heartbreak with love. I bless my past partners with forgiveness. I bless my past partners with forgiveness. My love life blossoms through forgiveness. My love life blossoms through forgiveness. I choose to see lessons instead of wounds. I choose to see lessons instead of wounds. I release anger towards those I once loved. I release anger towards those I once loved. I free myself from the pain of broken trust. I free myself from the pain of broken trust. Forgiveness attracts loving relationships. Forgiveness attracts loving relationships. I forgive, so can I love fully again. I forgive, so can I love fully again. I forgive my parents for their limitations. I forgive my parents for their limitations. I choose compassion for family members. I choose compassion for family members. I release inherited pain with love. I release inherited pain with love. I forgive past arguments within my family. I forgive past arguments within my family. My family connections heal through forgiveness. My family connections heal through forgiveness. I free myself from generational anger. I free myself from generational anger. I bless my family with understanding. I bless my family with understanding. I forgive my parents for mistakes they made. I forgive my parents for mistakes they made. I choose peace in family bonds. I choose peace in family bonds. Forgiveness heals my family lineage. Forgiveness heals my family lineage. I forgive friends who disappointed me. I forgive friends who disappointed me. I release old conflicts with kindness. I release old conflicts with kindness. I forgive myself for friendship that ended. I forgive myself for friendship that ended. I bless my friends with forgiveness. I bless my friends with forgiveness. I allow love to restore friendships. I allow love to restore friendships. I let go of misunderstandings with grace. I let go of misunderstandings with grace. My friendships heal through forgiveness. My friendships heal through forgiveness. I choose to remember love over hurt. I choose to remember love over hurt. I forgive silently and move forward in peace. I forgive silently and move forward in peace. Forgiveness keeps my heart open to connection. Forgiveness keeps my heart open to connection. I forgive co-workers who caused stress. I forgive co-workers who caused stress. I release workplace conflicts with peace. I release workplace conflicts with peace. I let go of anger towards authority figures. I let go of anger towards authority figures. I forgive professional disappointments. I forgive professional disappointments. I choose peace in my career journey. I choose peace in my career journey. I forgive myself for past career mistakes. I forgive myself for past career mistakes. I release judgment of colleagues. I release judgment of colleagues. I choose harmony at work through forgiveness. I choose harmony at work through forgiveness. I forgive myself for missed opportunities. I forgive myself for missed opportunities. Forgiveness helps me succeed with clarity. Forgiveness helps me succeed with clarity. I forgive society for its limitations. I forgive society for its limitations. I release anger towards cultural injustices. I release anger towards cultural injustices. I choose peace in the face of collective wounds. I choose peace in the face of collective wounds. I forgive humanity for its mistakes. I forgive humanity for its mistakes. I release pain from history with love. I release pain from history with love. My forgiveness contributes to world peace. My forgiveness contributes to world peace. I bless the earth with healing through forgiveness. I bless the earth with healing through forgiveness. I forgive those who harm nature. I forgive those who harm nature. I release resentment towards leaders of the past. I release resentment towards leaders of the past. I choose forgiveness to heal collective energy. I choose forgiveness to heal collective energy. Forgiveness is a daily habit I embody. Forgiveness is a daily habit I embody. I forgive instantly to remain free. I forgive instantly to remain free. My forgiveness creates ripple effects of love. My forgiveness creates ripple effects of love. I am a channel of divine forgiveness. I am a channel of divine forgiveness. I forgive myself every time I fall short. I forgive myself every time I fall short. I release the need to be perfect. I release the need to be perfect. Forgiveness keeps me rooted in peace. Forgiveness keeps me rooted in peace. I live lightly because I forgive often. I live lightly because I forgive often. Forgiveness renews my spirit. Forgiveness renews my spirit. I let go and rise higher each day. I let go and rise higher each day. I forgive people who never apologized. I forgive people who never apologized. I release expectations of others. I release expectations of others. I free myself from needing validation. I free myself from needing validation. I forgive silently and move forward in grace. I forgive silently and move forward in grace. I release people from the prisons of my mind. I release people from the prisons of my mind. I forgive without conditions. I forgive without conditions. I let go even when others don't change. I let go even when others don't change. My forgiveness is not dependent on apology. My forgiveness is not dependent on apology. I forgive to stay free, not for approval. I forgive to stay free, not for approval. Forgiveness liberates my soul completely. Forgiveness liberates my soul completely. I forgive painful childhood memories. I forgive painful childhood memories. I release the wounds of my inner child. I release the wounds of my inner child. I bless my childhood with love. I bless my childhood with love. I forgive those who shaped my early pain. I forgive those who shaped my early pain. I give compassion to my younger self. I give compassion to my younger self. My inner child feels safe through forgiveness. My inner child feels safe through forgiveness. I release bullying experiences with grace. I release bullying experiences with grace. I forgive my past teachers for harsh words. I forgive my past teachers for harsh words. I forgive myself for childhood fears. I forgive myself for childhood fears. Forgiveness nurtures my inner child with love. Forgiveness nurtures my inner child with love. I forgive broken promises with peace. I forgive broken promises with peace. I release the pain of abandonment. I release the pain of abandonment. I forgive betrayals of trust. I forgive betrayals of trust. I release rejection with love. I release rejection with love. I forgive misunderstandings that hurt me. I forgive misunderstandings that hurt me. I let go of false expectations. I let go of false expectations. I forgive those who judged me unfairly. I forgive those who judged me unfairly. I release humiliation from my past. I release humiliation from my past. I forgive those who failed to support me. I forgive those who failed to support me. I free myself from resentment completely. I free myself from resentment completely. I forgive myself for holding grudges. I forgive myself for holding grudges. I release judgment of my healing peace. I release judgment of my healing peace. I let go of the guilt of staying hurt too long. I let go of the guilt of staying hurt too long. I forgive myself for resisting healing. I forgive myself for resisting healing. I embrace my progress with kindness. I embrace my progress with kindness. Forgiveness allows me to grow with ease. Forgiveness allows me to grow with ease. I let go of self-blame gently. I let go of self-blame gently. I forgive myself for unhealthy choices. I forgive myself for unhealthy choices. My self-forgiveness deepens daily. My self-forgiveness deepens daily. I honor my humanity with compassion. I honor my humanity with compassion. I forgive past financial mistakes. I forgive past financial mistakes. I release regret over money decisions. I release regret over money decisions. I forgive those who wronged me financially. I forgive those who wronged me financially. I let go of scarcity memories. I let go of scarcity memories. Forgiveness heals my relationship with money. Forgiveness heals my relationship with money. I forgive myself for financial fears. I forgive myself for financial fears. I bless my finances with love and release. I bless my finances with love and release. I forgive financial betrayals. I forgive financial betrayals. I release anger about past losses. I release anger about past losses. Forgiveness opens doors to wealth. Forgiveness opens doors to wealth. I forgive illness memories with love. I forgive illness memories with love. I release anger towards my body. I release anger towards my body. I forgive myself for unhealthy habits. I forgive myself for unhealthy habits. I let go of pain stored in my body. I let go of pain stored in my body. My body feels lighter through forgiveness. My body feels lighter through forgiveness. I forgive life for unexpected illness. I forgive life for unexpected illness. I release resentment towards physical pain. I release resentment towards physical pain. I forgive myself for ignoring my health. I forgive myself for ignoring my health. I bless my body with forgiveness daily. I bless my body with forgiveness daily. Forgiveness restores my natural wellness. Forgiveness restores my natural wellness. I forgive my past mistakes with grace. I forgive my past mistakes with grace. I release guilt about wrong choices. I release guilt about wrong choices. I forgive myself for past ignorance. I forgive myself for past ignorance. I release shame about who I was. I release shame about who I was. Forgiveness makes me wiser. Forgiveness makes me wiser. I let go of regrets and accept my journey. I let go of regrets and accept my journey. I embrace my past with compassion. I embrace my past with compassion. I forgive myself for the times I hurt others. I forgive myself for the times I hurt others. I release judgment of my younger self. I release judgment of my younger self. I free my soul with total forgiveness. I free my soul with total forgiveness. I forgive those who misunderstood me. I forgive those who misunderstood me. I release resentment from being judged. I release resentment from being judged. I forgive those who criticize me harshly. I forgive those who criticize me harshly. I release anger from false accusations. I release anger from false accusations. I forgive those who doubted me. I forgive those who doubted me. I let go of resentment from being unheard. I let go of resentment from being unheard. I forgive those who misused my trust. I forgive those who misused my trust. I release anger about being underestimated. I release anger about being underestimated. Forgiveness keeps me rooted in self-worth. Forgiveness keeps me rooted in self-worth. I choose love over hurtful words. I choose love over hurtful words. I forgive people who walked away. I forgive people who walked away. I release pain from separation. I release pain from separation. I forgive endings that broke my heart. I forgive endings that broke my heart. I bless the people who left my life. I bless the people who left my life. I release the fear of abandonment. I release the fear of abandonment. Forgiveness turns endings into new beginnings. Forgiveness turns endings into new beginnings. I forgive myself for holding on too long. I forgive myself for holding on too long. I release the need to cling to the past. I release the need to cling to the past. I accept goodbyes with love. I accept goodbyes with love. Forgiveness opens me to new love. Forgiveness opens me to new love. I forgive myself for dimming my light. I forgive myself for dimming my light. I release fear of shining fully. I release fear of shining fully. I forgive myself for staying silent. I forgive myself for staying silent. I let go of regrets about missed chances. I let go of regrets about missed chances. Forgiveness restores my courage. Forgiveness restores my courage. I forgive myself for not believing in me. I forgive myself for not believing in me. I release fear of failure with grace. I release fear of failure with grace. I forgive myself for comparing to others. I forgive myself for comparing to others. I choose to forgive and rise higher. I choose to forgive and rise higher. Forgiveness unlocks my highest potential. Forgiveness unlocks my highest potential. I release my past with compassion and gratitude. I release my past with compassion and gratitude. Forgiveness makes space for peace within me. Forgiveness makes space for peace within me. I no longer controlled by old wounds. I no longer controlled by old wounds. Each breath I take carries forgiveness into my heart. Each breath I take carries forgiveness into my heart. I forgive myself for not knowing better in the past. I forgive myself for not knowing better in the past. Forgiveness is my soul's medicine. Forgiveness is my soul's medicine. I forgive those who hurt me and I free myself from their shadow. I forgive those who hurt me and I free myself from their shadow. Every time I forgive, I rise. Every time I forgive, I rise higher. Every time I forgive, I rise higher. I let go of bitterness and choose love instead. I let go of bitterness and choose love instead. I am strong enough to forgive and move forward. I am strong enough to forgive and move forward. I forgive and welcome new joy into my life. I forgive and welcome new joy into my life. Forgiveness makes me lighter and freer. Forgiveness makes me lighter and freer. I allow my heart to release resentment. I allow my heart to release resentment. My inner world blossoms through forgiveness. My inner world blossoms through forgiveness. I no longer carry the weight of old pain. I no longer carry the weight of old pain. Forgiveness connects me to divine peace. Forgiveness connects me to divine peace. I release guilt and welcome self-love. I release guilt and welcome self-love. I forgive myself for all missed opportunities. I forgive myself for all missed opportunities. I forgive those who betrayed me and I choose freedom. I forgive those who betrayed me and I choose freedom. Forgiveness is the key to my healing. Forgiveness is the key to my healing. I let go of judgment and embrace compassion. I let go of judgment and embrace compassion. I forgive my younger self with tenderness. I forgive my younger self with tenderness. Forgiveness transforms pain into wisdom. Forgiveness transforms pain into wisdom. I free myself from old anger. I free myself from old anger. Forgiveness is my gift to myself. Forgiveness is my gift to myself. I forgive so that I may live fully in the present. I forgive so that I may live fully in the present. My heart chooses peace over resentment. My heart chooses peace over resentment. I forgive those who abandon me and I stand strong. I forgive those who abandon me and I stand strong. Forgiveness fills me with divine light. Forgiveness fills me with divine light. I no longer need to replay painful memories. I no longer need to replay painful memories. I release anger with every breath. I release anger with every breath. Forgiveness allows me to reclaim my power. Forgiveness allows me to reclaim my power. I forgive myself for unhealthy choices. I forgive myself for unhealthy choices. My life blossoms when I let go of grudges. My life blossoms when I let go of grudges. I forgive those who misunderstood me. I forgive those who misunderstood me. Forgiveness brings balance to my soul. Forgiveness brings balance to my soul. I release the chains of bitterness. I release the chains of bitterness. I forgive those who judge me unfairly. I forgive those who judge me unfairly. I forgive myself for doubting my worth. I forgive myself for doubting my worth. Forgiveness restores my inner harmony. Forgiveness restores my inner harmony. I free my mind from resentment. I free my mind from resentment. Forgiveness creates space for miracles. Forgiveness creates space for miracles. I forgive and step into my best life. I forgive and step into my best life. My soul is at peace when I forgive. My soul is at peace when I forgive. I forgive those who withheld love from me. I forgive those who withheld love from me. Forgiveness softens my heart. Forgiveness softens my heart. I forgive myself for tolerating less than I deserve. I forgive myself for tolerating less than I deserve. Forgiveness opens the door to unconditional love. Forgiveness opens the door to unconditional love. I release guilt and embrace growth. I release guilt and embrace growth. Forgiveness makes me whole again. Forgiveness makes me whole again. I forgive myself for not trusting my intuition. I forgive myself for not trusting intuitions. I forgive those who caused me sorrow. I forgive those who caused me sorrow. Forgiveness dissolves my pain. Forgiveness dissolves my pain. I let go of the need for revenge. I let go of the need for revenge. I forgive myself for holding on to the past. I forgive myself for holding on to the past. Forgiveness makes me more compassionate. Forgiveness makes me more compassionate. I forgive those who broke my trust. I forgive those who broke my trust. My inner child is healed through forgiveness. My inner child is healed through forgiveness. I forgive myself for comparing my journey to others. I forgive myself for comparing my journey to others. Forgiveness strengthens my spirit. Forgiveness strengthens my spirit. I let go of all resentment and welcome peace. I let go of all resentment and welcome peace. Forgiveness gives me freedom to shine. Forgiveness gives me freedom to shine. I forgive those who spoke against me. I forgive those who spoke against me. I forgive myself for procrastination. I forgive myself for procrastination. Forgiveness helps me align with divine love. Forgiveness helps me align with divine love. I forgive those who fail to see my value. I forgive those who fail to see my value. I forgive myself for not setting boundaries. I forgive myself for not setting boundaries. Forgiveness transforms anger into acceptance. Forgiveness transforms anger into acceptance. I forgive those who disappointed me. I forgive those who disappointed me. Forgiveness makes me unshakable. Forgiveness makes me unshakable. I forgive myself for staying silent when I needed to speak. I forgive myself for staying silent when I needed to speak. Forgiveness heals my heart. Forgiveness heals my heart. I forgive those who mocked me. I forgive those who mocked me. Forgiveness allows me to love again. Forgiveness allows me to love again. I release past regrets with compassion. I release past regrets with compassion. I forgive those who misunderstood my intentions. I forgive those who misunderstood my intentions. Forgiveness strengthens my resilience. Forgiveness strengthens my resilience. I forgive myself for holding fear in my heart. I forgive myself for holding fear in my heart. Forgiveness creates divine flow in my life. Forgiveness creates divine flow in my life. I forgive those who left me in my time of need. I forgive those who left me in my time of need. Forgiveness gives me inner clarity. Forgiveness gives me inner clarity. I forgive myself for past self-sabotage. I forgive myself for past self-sabotage. I forgive and allow abundance to flow. I forgive and allow abundance to flow. Forgiveness is the path to my inner joy. Forgiveness is the path to my inner joy. I forgive those who judged my choices. I forgive those who judged my choices. Forgiveness dissolves all negativity. Forgiveness dissolves all negativity. I forgive myself for doubting my power. I forgive myself for doubting my power. Forgiveness brings new beginnings. Forgiveness brings new beginnings. I forgive those who caused me financial pain. I forgive those who caused me financial pain. Forgiveness opens my heart to prosperity. Forgiveness opens my heart to prosperity. I forgive myself for neglecting self-care. I forgive myself for neglecting self-care. Forgiveness makes me a vessel of peace. Forgiveness makes me a vessel of peace. I forgive those who took advantage of me. I forgive those who took advantage of me. Forgiveness restores my soul's radiance. Forgiveness restores my soul's radiance. I forgive myself for mistakes in relationships. I forgive myself for mistakes in relationships. Forgiveness connects me with divine truth. Forgiveness connects me with divine truth. I forgive those who rejected me. I forgive those who rejected me. I forgive myself for not believing in love. I forgive myself for not believing in love. Forgiveness clears the path to happiness. Forgiveness clears the path to happiness. I forgive and reclaim my higher self. I forgive and reclaim my highest self. I forgive and reclaim my highest self. I release my past with compassion and gratitude. I release my past with compassion and gratitude. Forgiveness makes space for peace within me. Forgiveness makes space for peace within me. I no longer controlled by old wounds. I no longer controlled by old wounds. Hey beautiful soul, you have just completed a powerful journey of forgiveness. Each time you repeat these affirmations, you release a little more pain and open a little more space for peace, joy, and self-love. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Carry this light within you. Thank you for healing with me today. If this touched your heart, listen daily, share with someone you love, and subscribe for more healing affirmations. Until next time, breathe deeply, love yourself, and shine bright. Thank you so much for listening to me.